Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I made a video talking about my top 3 favorite crawls when I was filming the infinity crawl, backwards infinity crawl, which is one of my favorite ways to crawl. But then a lot of people started asking me, well, what are your top 3? And really I don't have a top 3, I got like a top, well, you see I need to be careful. I was about to say a top 10, but I know better. I have a top few, which is probably 3. Like a couple is 2, few is 3, several 7. That's my rule, but it's probably not yours. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you about my #1 favorite way to crawl for building strength. And it is crawling forward down a hill and crawling backwards back up the hill. It is the bee's knees for building insane strength in your shoulders and your core. And it's literally like doing overhead presses as you crawl. Now, I don't have a hill here and it's 100 and something degrees outside, and I could not get my film crew to go with me to film me crawling up and down a hill because, well, they just didn't want to do it. I'm my film crew. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is show you another way to crawl on a hill. I should have done this for hill. Without having a hill, and it is crawl dragging something, attach a weight to your body to make your own resistance so that it's similar to crawling as if you're crawling down or backwards up a hill. So, the way you do that is you get you the Original Strength loop, available at originalstrength.net, and you attach your loop to something heavy. In this case, I'm attaching it to a 98-pound chain-ish, 98-ish pounds, and I'm crawling backwards. So the load of the chain mimics the incline of the hill. So that is one way to make a hill when you don't have a hill, but you have a loop and a chain. There's another way to do this that I really love, and it's not for the faint of heart. It's really not dangerous, it just looks dangerous, but it feels so amazing. And it's to do the same thing I just did, except you put the loop over your head and not around your back. And that looks like this. So you crawl like that. And I'm gonna tell you, if you're able to do that, that feels amazing. Just the pull of the chain on your head, or the pull of the loop on your head, totally lights up all your postural muscles. If you crawl like that, dragging anything light, it doesn't have to be heavy, but with a little bit of resistance attached to your head, it'll feel like you're 10 feet tall when you put it down. You just feel good and invigorated. So that is definitely one of my favorite feel-good ways to crawl. So I gave you 2, crawling backwards with a chain and crawling backwards with it wrapped around your head or your waist. So that's 2, but really I said downhill, forward and backwards. So that's technically 4. Anyway, give those a shot. If you have a hill, find a hill, crawl down. It doesn't have to be a steep incline. It doesn't have to be steep at all, but steep is very, very cool. Or find a weight, get yourself a OS loop or some type of webbing or something comfortable and drag it backwards. Anyway, that's 1 or 4 of my favorite ways to crawl. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.